In this video, I'll guide you through how to onboard a new employee in Gusto. Whether you're a small business owner or part of a larger HR team, Gusto provides an intuitive platform to streamline your onboarding process. Let's dive in and make this as seamless as possible. First, you'll want to navigate to gusto.com. Open your web browser and type in the URL to get started. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to log in if you haven't already. This ensures you have full access to all the features we'll be discussing today. Now that you're logged in, let's move on to the next step. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a menu. Click on the option labeled People. This will take you to your company's employee directory, where you can view all the current team members. This section is your hub for managing personnel, making it a crucial part of the onboarding process. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. You'll see a button that says Add Person. Click on this to begin adding your new employee. This action will open a form where you'll need to input all the necessary details about your new hire. Remember, accurate information is key here, so take your time. Now, you'll need to enter the full name of the employee. Make sure to double-check the spelling here, as this name will be used throughout the system and in any official documents. Once you've entered their name, it's time to define their role within your organization. You'll see an option to select the worker type. For this tutorial, we'll assume you're adding a typical employee, so go ahead and choose Employee from the list. This selection is important as it determines the kind of benefits and pay structure the new hire will receive. The next field you'll encounter is for the employee's personal email. It's crucial to use a personal email address here, as this will be the primary method of communication for onboarding documents and instructions. Double-check the email for accuracy to avoid any miscommunications. Before moving on, you have the option to set up background checks. This step is optional, but highly recommended for roles that require a high level of trust and security. If you choose to skip this, you can always return to it later if needed. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, click Save and Continue. This button is typically located at the bottom of the form. Clicking it will save all the details you've entered and take you to the next steps of the onboarding process, which may include setting up payroll or other administrative tasks. And there you have it, a straightforward way to onboard a new employee using Gusto. By following these steps, you ensure that your new hires are set up correctly from the start, paving the way for a smooth transition into your company. If you have any questions or run into any issues, Gusto's support team is always a great resource. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your onboarding.